Hi, welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to deliver soul messages. Today I'll be reading energy with a pendulum for chakras. I'll be using tarot and an oracle to close the message. A friendly reminder that this is a general energy reading, always with love, hoping to connect to those who would benefit from this message. With that said, I've meditated and pre-shuffled both of these decks. And with that said, let's begin. We'll begin with your crown. Third eye. Throat. The heart. Solar plexus. Thank you. Sacral. And root. Okay, thank you. Okay, so for today was also the focus on the solar plexus, which is the wisdom power of ourselves. It says the solar plexus is the third chakra and it's located below the chest. It represents self-esteem, pleasure, willpower, and personal responsibility. Imbalance attributes would be low self-esteem, control issues, manipulative tendency, and misuse of power. And so I wanted to kind of remind for those who do follow me or who have come across my videos. Yesterday was also the same one. So for now, it's asking us to really focus on our light. It's this would be considered the second day in a row that the solar plexus comes out, and so just be mindful of what is held in that particular area of ourself, which is our stomach, our liver, our pancreas, our gallbladder, our spleen, our kidneys, our small intestines, our large intestines, adrenal glands. And so just again, be mindful of any, if you've have been feeling sick from your stomach, or again don't have a lot of energy, feeling low vibrational, then again meditate on that particular area. Bring in light to your own self. Focus on the color in itself, the color yellow, the color of enthusiasm, happiness, positive intellect. It's a creative color. It's also a color of hope. And it's a quick thinking kind of color. So eat a lot of fruits and vegetables that are of that essence. Maybe water with like lemon and yellow apples. Just there's a lot of fruits and vegetables that can have that color, that tone, that essence. It's just an advice. Again, please do your own research when it comes to your chakras and what it actually means to shed light into that particular area of yourself. Words that hold relevance or energies to that particular chakra of ours is our self-esteem. This is where we hold our shame, even our willpower, our vitality, definitely our personal power. And so bring in more vitality, more energy by again giving more, by respecting your body. If you need to sleep more, or whatever you feel, and again being mindful of what you consume, like as far as like foods and drinks. So, yes, but again, do your own research when it comes to chakras, specifically your solar plexus, because this would be the second day that this particular energy comes out. So, with that said, I will move forward to tarot. Like I said, I've already pre shuffled. Mind, body, spirit, and in the overall. Okay, so for the mind, we got the King of Swords. For our body, we got the Page of Pentacles. For spirit, we got the Judgment. And for the overall, we got the Six of Pentacles. So I'll speak about the Six of Pentacles. This speaks about balance. Balance, weighing our options, putting our energy where it's needed. Pentacles, it's an earth element. So it would focus on our body and our material needs, or our finances as well. This particular card in itself speaks about giving and receiving. Maybe even help, asking for help, some sort of charity work, or sharing wisdom, sharing wealth. This speaks about generosity. To me, this is kind of like the card of like, where do you put your energy? Being mindful of where you put your energy, bringing in balance to your physical body, to what comes in, it goes out, including your finances. 6 is the number of communication, of cooperation, of harmony. So be mindful of what you give and you bring in, and have some sort of harmonious, clear communication when it comes to your body, to your finances, and to others outside of you, and where you put your actual energy. I see a lot of yellow in these two, and so again, where are you placing your energy when it comes to your body? Even a page is a very youthful energy, but I feel as if he's a student. He's learning how to use his pentacle. He's on his way to becoming something. Oops, excuse me. And so that would speak about this particular page speaks about success in materials. It's also skill development. Like I said, he's developing his skills when it comes to his money, to his body, to his physical needs. So he's learning, and so don't be out there, thinking that you should already know what to do. It's like, no, take your time to really identify where you stand at this particular time. Be more clear in the mind. It's like the King of Swords, and he is, self-discipline. He speaks about routine, material clarity. He is truth, very intellectual. He holds power when it comes to his intellectual, and again, self-discipline. So have some discipline when it comes to how we move on our day-to-day. Where are we placing our energy? Again, where should we bring in more balance and learn new things? Be open to receiving newness, the Judgment. This is a beautiful card specifically for that, because it speaks about renewal. The Judgment is resurrection in many areas of our life. It's assessing, it's hearing the call, receiving a message. And this is also the card of transition. So I think that our spirit, that our auras, that our own vibrations are trying to tell us something, are teaching us something in this particular moment. And it's how you receive it. Intellect, our swords. Swords are representative of our rationality, of our intellect, of our thoughts. So how are we, think things through more grounded, in a more grounded way. But at the same time, allowing newness to come in and just taking our time to bring this particular area into balance. So I hope that this message is of resonance to you all, that it is helpful, and let's continue working on bringing back our energy. Call our energy back, individually, call your energy back, and work on self and on your body and on your energy and on your needs, just focus on you. Okay, and you're protected as well. I always, when I see angels, to me, I feel a warmness to myself, saying, this is sometimes bigger than you. This is, and you're not alone in this world. There's things that are unseen still working in our favor. So, yes. With that said, I will be moving on to an oracle for our message, and this is Soul Truth by Brianne Hovey. Let's see, I've already shuffled, but I want to see if one comes out. Oop, okay, again, 2 came up. Okay, 1 says, what if it isn't true? The things you're telling yourself right now, the concrete reason why you think you don't belong, you can't do it, you won't get there, you're not enough, or it's not for you. What if it wasn't true? Today's soul action. It's time for a soul chat. Close your eyes, put your hands in your heart, and ask the wise one within you. What if it isn't true? What else might be possible? ? Journal your answers. What lie do I need to let go of to reach my soul truth? Beautiful message. The second one says, am I focused on what I am losing or gaining? ? Am I focused on what I am losing or gaining? Are you going through some change? ? Are you scared to let go because of because of what you might lose? ? Or what if you shifted your focus from what you might lose to what you might gain? Endings are actually new beginnings. Today's soul truth. Today's soul actions. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. Today, make a list of all things you will gain from the change you're going through. Feel your heart, take a breath, and deepen your trust. Amazing things are coming. Thank you, everyone. I hope these messages are, again, helpful for you all. And I wish you all the best of vibes. And I will talk to you soon. Ciao.